What's up guys, me for another episode of Fidget Spinner.
And this is the fidget spinner right here on my nose. And so we have tons of it spinning. Why are you not spinning that? Oh my goodness! You see that? Ay, si Matan, bilis! Wow! Wow! Couple of billions of wow! Wow! Really amazing right now. Ano daw yan?
Fidget Spinner.
Wow, ang galing naman, Tantan! Fidget spinner! Pakibigay na mo yan sa akin. Ito po. Ito po ang kanyang fidget spinner. Maganda ba ang ginawa mong fidget spinner? Salita. Sabihin mo, oo. Sabihin mo. Bakit siya maganda?
Kasi